We got 2 White Russians. We got 2 White Russians. I'm Wheezy-C. This is what we drinking tonight. We are gonna be making some White Russians. I don't think we really know like who invented the White Russian. I know it was like discovered around, you know, and like brought to light in like the 1950s, 1949, 1950. And I think it was just found out of like a Soviet cookbook, but I don't know really if anyone's credited for making it. So kudos to whoever did, because that's awesome. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you for joining me as we make some drinks tonight. This is a pretty simple drink, so all you're really gonna need is some glasses. I like using rocks glasses for it. Something to mix it with. For mine, I like to garnish with fresh nutmeg and coffee. So I have a zester grater, your jigger, coffee, nutmeg. I use heavy cream because I gotta keep up this dad bod, you know? So I use heavy cream in mine. You can use half and half if it's too thick for you. I'm using Tito's handmade vodka from Austin, Texas, which I am now a certified taster thanks to a free form on the internet. All right. This is where we could like kind of debate. Some people say that you have to use Kaluha. I am not one of those people. Kaluha is like 20 bucks a bottle right now. Chapala here is like 7. So I've tasted them both. I don't think there is a big enough difference to like really change the drink that dramatically. Words. So I use Chapala. I think it's great. If you got Kaluha, you got Kaluha. There's like some other brands out there. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I think any of them will do. Let's get to mixing. We're gonna start with our vodka actually. And always, if you guys want to follow along in chat, exclamation, what we drinking, we'll pull it up. You can copy, paste, do what you need to do. So let's do 1.5 ounces into each of our glasses. That one got a little heavy. That's okay. And then we're going to do the same with your coffee liqueur. I really like coffee liqueurs, man. I love the flavor of coffee. So having that with alcohol is like just great. 1.5. I do 2 full ounces of heavy cream. If you wanted to, you could just eyeball it. I am bad at just trying to eyeball drinks. Like, I have to measure, but if you want, you can just eyeball 2 ounces into each glass. And it's gonna get all like really gross looking. It looks like, it reminds me of the that shot. I think Cute sent it in the Discord of the Alaskan duck fart. Like, that's what it reminds me of. But all right, now we are gonna scoop some ice in here. I just fill up the glass. You can put in however much you like. And then we're gonna give these just a little mix around. It doesn't have to be, you know, too violent of a mixing or anything, but we can just make these right in the glass. That's kind of like, that's why these are so dangerous. It's because like you need like no tools to make these, and so when you do end up getting drunk off of them, it's really easy to keep making them because you just make them in like one thing, and then you end up like really hurting. So you could stop here, be done with it. It's a great drink. I really like to garnish mine with some fresh grated nutmeg and a little bit of fresh grated coffee bean. It like mostly hits you in your, I was gonna say it mostly hits you in your smells, but it's really like when you bring this drink up to your face mouth, you just get hit with that coffee and nutmeg, and then you taste like the creaminess and the liqueur. It's more about the experience than the flavor of it. Doesn't hurt the flavor at all though. So we got some nutmeg, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of fresh coffee bean. And I think it adds like a kind of like a cool contrast to like the top of it. But guys, your face hole. Yeah, your face hole. You bring it up to your face hole. That's the White Russian. That's it. We're done. That's a wrap. All right. Shut this bitch down. Oh yeah, I don't have an assistant. Cheers, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me again for What We Drinkin. This is the White Russian. Let's give her a go. Dude, I love this drink so much. So, originally in 1950, the White Russian was actually the Black Russian. That's how it started out, which is just vodka and coffee liqueur. And then somewhere in there, someone added cream, became the White Russian. So creamy. Cash rules everything around me, cream. Is there like a non-dairy White Russian? Dude, okay, so I was actually thinking of this. You might be able to do like an almond milk White Russian. Back to like the origins of it. So it started out as a Black Russian. Someone added cream, made the White Russian. I'm not a fan of just Tito's and, or not just, well, vodka and coffee liqueur. I much prefer it the White Russian way. Give it a try. You would just have less of a drink. You would just have the 3 ounces or 4 ounces, whatever you wanted to do, of these two. Yeah, I don't dig it as much. It's not bad. If you wanted to try it, maybe we'll do it one day. We'll have like a side by side or something. I tell you, man, doing the coffee and nutmeg on the top. I want to say it's like a punch to the face, but it's really not like a punch. It's like someone reaches out and just like on your face, but with nutmeg and coffee. It fucking rules, dude. Aggressive caressing. I like that. It's like aggressively caressing your face when you bring this up to your face hole. You know? I'm gonna hurry and run this out to Jane before hers like waters down too much. When I come back, I'll try to get back on track of talking about the White Russian and like its history. So hang on 1 second. Just like 1 second. Hang on 1 second, okay? Okay. We're gonna try it. I got some almond milk. I'm focusing. So this is a White Russian. It gained popularity in like 1949. Started out as a Black Russian. Someone added cream, made the White Russian. It was popular for like not very long. And it really wasn't until the Big Lebowski aired that it gained popularity again. Fuck it, man. Let's go bowling. Nice rack. I happen to really enjoy the aesthetic of industrial metal shelving. Just my style, but, you know. Okay. Let's make a nut Russian? What do we want to call this? Off-white Russian. Eggshell White Russian. Yeah. Okay, but let's fucking do it. I'm excited. All right, I'm gonna do the same. We're gonna start with the same ratios of 1.5, 1.5, 2. We'll see how it goes. Oh, you know what? I have one of those milk frother things. Let's just try making it regular, and then we'll worry about extra tools. Try not to get any cream into the glass. All right, so 1.5 ounces of vodka. All right, then we're gonna do 1 ounce and a half of our coffee liqueur. All right, let's do 2 ounces. I guess there's a little bit of heavy cream in there, but that's okay. 2 ounces of, I'm using unsweet almond milk also. Okay, we got that. Let's add some ice. I was at the end of the bag. Now I got a bunch of little pieces. All right, let's stir this up. Not gonna lie, that actually looks like, that looks really good. That just looks like iced coffee. You know? Okay, then we're gonna add some nutmeg. I'm just gonna do it the same way to start and see how it goes. A little bit of coffee. All right, guys. There you have it. I think it's just almond Russian. I think just the almond Russian is good. I like it. Okay, here's the almond Russian, guys. Cheers. Hang on, one more time. I really like it. Let me say that. I really like it. The coffee, and I honestly think the stuff on the top really kind of like takes away. Now I'm getting some almond. Now I'm getting that almond milk kind of. It just comes in like really late. I was just trying to like look for that almond flavor. That's a really good alternative. So at the beginning, it tastes closer to a black Russian, and that's why I was like, but like really quickly, it creams out, creamy, and then it's like you're looking for that almond flavor, but it's like comes in at the very end, and it's really satisfying. That's good, dude. I like that. That was a good fucking idea, man. Thanks, Luna. This is really good, and I highly suggest it if you happen to be like me and just like almond milk, or you can't have dairy and need to try it with almond milk. It's a really good substitute. Now I want to try a bunch of different like non-dairy things. Like, all right, you know what? I need to go get some soy milk. Maybe oat milk will be better. The tad creamier. Ooh, macadamia milk? Say what? Dude, macadamia milk would be interesting. I like me some macadamias. It's weird, but I actually think that this might be like a little more enjoyable. Dare I say, I like this one more. Okay, this is gonna sound like really alcoholic-y of me, but like I want this one at breakfast time, actually. I think White Russians at breakfast, great idea. Almond Russian, on the other hand, this is like, it's so hard for, sorry guys, I'm just trying to like find a way to explain this. Like if a White Russian was like a social drink, you know what I mean? Like, this is the good thing about doing shit live, man. Thinking right off the top of the old noggin with stuff. Thank God for editing software, eh? But I don't know any bartender tricks. Doing anything for you? Hell yeah, dude. I think I like it more. I put the same garnishes on it, so you still get that aggressive caressing of your face. I feel like I could like walk around at a party socialize with the crowd. I got it. I know how to describe it now. This one is indica. This one is sativa. There you go. This one makes me want to be couch locked. This one makes me want to just like sit down in something very, very comfy and not move. And like just rub my belly and watch something and have snacks. This one makes me want to like be out somewhere and be social and like I would have this with dinner. This is like on its own. This is dinner. This is dessert. This is its own meal. This is like hip and jazzy. You know what I mean? Totally understandable now, right? That was it. That was like the best description I'm gonna give. Either way, that sounds bad because it's like we're double fisting like White Russians, or we're like, we got two White Russians. We got two White Russians, you know? Guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me for another What We Drinkin' segment. I really appreciate you. Cheers to you. Thank you. I really do appreciate you. If you've been watching this segment of What We Drinkin' Live and you like anything you've seen and you haven't followed already, maybe consider hitting that follow button. If you're watching on YouTube later, hit subscribe, maybe hit the like button, comment down below. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Thank you so much. Cheers to you. You're mighty kind, yes.